Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x into x divided by x plus x equals to 6. So now we solve this problem for the values of x. So here the very first thing we are going to do is here first you see that x is multiplied by 3 times and its exponents are 1 on each case, so that here we apply the exponential law. You know about this law. If we have a to the power of m into a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m plus n. Here we apply this nice exponential law on the above equation on the numerator term. So we write it as x to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by, here we need to take common x from all of these terms. So when you take common x, we get here 1 plus 1 plus 1, and this whole equation equals to 0. So further here we need to simplify the terms, and we write it as x to the power of 3 divided by, here you get x into 3 is equals to 6. Okay, so further we apply another exponential law, and we know that if you have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m minus n. Okay, so it means that this exponent will be subtract to the 3. So we write it as x to the power of 3 minus 1 divided by 3 equals to 6. Okay, so here we need to simplify the terms, and now we move this 3 to the right hand side, and it will be written as x square equals to 3 multiplied by 6, and here we get x square equals to 3 times of 6 becomes 18. Okay, so here because we solve this problem for the values of x, so that here we need to find the value of x, so we apply square root on both of the sides. Okay, in this way. So here you see that these 2 and square root are gone, and we get x is equals to, this is 18, and we write it as 9 times of 2. We know that 9 times of 2 becomes 18. And further we apply the radical law. We know that if you have ab and its square root, we write it as square root of a multiplied by square root of b. So we apply this nice radical law, and here we just separate the square root on both of these terms, and it will be written as square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 2. So here we get x is equals to plus minus, here we know that the square root of 9 is equals to 3 into square root of 2. Okay, so these are the two real values of the given equation. So now in the next step, here we need to verify these two values, is these two values are satisfied our given question statement or not. Okay, so to verify these values, here first we choose the positive value. It is 3 into square root of 2, and here we copy down the given question statement. It is x multiply x divided by x plus x equals to 6. And now here we substitute this value of x on the numerator as well as denominator term. So we write it as, here this is 3 times of x multiplied, the value of x is 3 into square root of 2 multiplied by 3 into square root of 2 multiplied by 3 into square root of 2 divided by 3 into square root of 2 plus 3 into square root of 2 plus 3 into square root of 2 equals to 6. Okay, so further we need some simplification here. Then you see that this 3 is multiplied 3 times, and this square root of 2 is multiplied 3 times. So we write it as 3 cubed multiplied by square root of 2 and its whole cubed, and it is divided by, here you see that these be the common term, so that here we take common 3 into square root of 2, and the remaining terms are 1 plus 1 plus 1, and this is equals to 6. Okay, so further you see here the exponent of this term is 1. Similarly, the exponent of square root of 2 is also 1. So here we apply this exponential law, a to the power of m over a to the power of n. It is equals to a to the power of m minus n. So here we apply this exponential law on both of these terms. So you see that the bases on 3 are same and the bases of these two terms are same. So we subtract these two exponents and these two exponents as well. Okay, so here we move this 1 to the upsides and it will be written as 3 to the power of 3 minus 1 into, here we move this exponent to the upside and it will be written as square root of 2 into 3 minus 1 divided by, here you have 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3 and this is equals to 6. Okay, so here we need more simplification and here you have 3 to the power of 3 minus 1 equals to 2 multiplied by square root of 2 and its power 2 divided by 3 is equals to 6. So here we move this 3 to the right side and you see here 3 square equals to 9 multiplied by this 2 and square root are gone and you get 2 equals to, this is 6 times of 3. So here you see that 9 times of 2 is 18 and 6 times of 3 also 18. So both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of x equals to 3 into square root of 2 satisfied the given question statement. And now similarly we verify the second value of x, and the second value of x is minus 3 into square root of 2. So that we need to substitute this value of x again into the given question statement. So that given question statement is x multiply x multiply x divided by x plus x equals to 6. So we substitute this value of x on this term and it will be written as minus 3 into square root of 2 multiplied by minus 3 into square root of 2 multiplied by minus 3 into square root of 2, and it is divided by minus 3 into square root of 2 minus 3 into square root of 2 minus 3 into square root of 2 equals to 6. But here you see that all of these are positive, but when you substitute the negative value, these positive sign becomes negative. Okay, so now you see here minus 3 is multiplied by 3 times, we write it as minus 3 cubed, and this square root of 2 is multiplied by 3 times and we write square root of 3 cubed. Similarly here we take common minus 3 into square root of 2 and we get 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 6. So this implies that here you see that the exponent of this minus 3 is 1 and this is 3. So we apply the exponential line, we write it as minus 3 to the power of 3 minus 1. Similarly in that case we write it as square root of 2 power 3 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 equals to 6. Okay, so further you see here we have this is minus 3 square and square root of 2 square. We move this 3 to the right side, it will become 6 times of 3, and here you get minus 3 square is 9 and this is 2 equals to 18. So this 9 2s are 18 equals to 18. This shows that the value of x equals to minus 3 into square root of 2 also satisfy the given question statement, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.